Hello my people! In this video we will see how to withdraw Lazada coins to GCash. The first pass is going to search this in Google. And well, we have a step-by-step guide to withdraw Lazada wallet to GCash. The one pass or step 1, open Lazada app. Login into your Lazada account. Step 2, go to wallet, tap the account icon, bottom right, and select Lazada wallet. Step 3, select balance, tap on your available balance to see what's withdrawable. Step 4, initial withdrawal, select the withdrawal button. Step 5, link GCash. Choose to link your GCash account as the withdrawal method. You will need to enter details like your mobile number, for example. And pass 6 and the ultimate, confirm, enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal. We have 4 important considerations. 1. Not all balance. You cannot withdraw coins used as discounts. Only certain earning or refunded amounts in your Lazada wallet are eligible. Pass 2 or second consideration, fees. A small transfer fee like 5 php may Apple. 3. Processing time. Transfer can take a few days. And 4. Check eligibility. If user contact Lazada customer service, click here to confirm if your balance is withdrawable. Well, that's all for today's video. If you like it, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.